Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we have discussed about the basic things about objects and class. In this video, continuing the topic, we shall discuss the implementation of objects and classes in Python. This video covers how to create a class and how to create their respective objects. Okay, so without any delay, let us start. We have already discussed that a class is a blueprint or a template of an object. So before creating an actual object, we have to create a class, right? So the class is created using the keyword class, all in lowercase letters, and also remember that to start a class name always with an uppercase letter. Okay, it is created like, let us create a class named dog. See here, I have created a class named dog with a class keyword, and also the dog name has been started with a capital letter, okay, and the statements end with a colon, and let the class be empty for now. Let us create attributes and methods later. In the last video, I have discussed that an object has attributes and behavior. The behavior in the name methods, right? So these attributes and methods are stored in the blueprint that is within the class. So let us see how to create attributes and methods within the class. Attributes in the class are created just as we create variables within the normal programming. Without any object-oriented programming, we also create variables, right? So in the same way, we create attributes within object-oriented programming, that is within the class. So let us say the first attribute to be color, let it be black, and the second attribute to be breed, let it be something foreign. Okay, now we have created attributes. Now let us create methods. I have already said that methods are created just as we create functions within normal programming, right? Let us create a method named sample method, and remember that the methods within the class always have a parameter named self. Don't worry if you don't know about that, let us discuss about it later. Okay, now within this method I want to print, let's make it simple. I want to print, this is a dog of color, and let it be color and breed, okay. See here, you must have the self parameter mandatory. Okay, yeah, we have created a method within the class dog, but how to call it? We have just created a template of color, we have two attributes, and we have a single method. Everything is going good, but how to call it? We call functions by the function name, giving the parentheses and giving the attributes within the parentheses. But how to call a class? Because here you cannot call a class directly, because we have not created any object yet. We have to create object. This is just a blueprint of the object. You can create a single object or a number of objects using this blueprint. Okay, let us see what object is and how to create this object. An object is an instance of a class. A class is just an idea. As we have said, it is just a blueprint of the object. But after creating the object, it's not just an idea anymore. It is the actual dog in our case. So let us see how to create objects. Let us create an object named dog1 is equals to, I want to be taken from the template to be the class dog, right? So this is called the instantiation statement of the object. Now I want to print I want to call my first object dog1 dot breed. Okay, and I also want to call the method within the class dog. So let us say dog1 dot sample method. Okay, we have called our attribute and we have also called our method. Now let us see by running. Yeah, we have a breed and we have the statement, this is a dog of color black and breed part, right? In this way you can create a simple class and also you can call it by using objects. That's all for today. So we have seen how to create a class, how to create an object, and how to call the methods within the class, how to call the attributes within the class. But we want the attribute for each object to be different, right? We have the common attributes here, but to create different attributes and also to see what is the self parameter and to see the another method named init within the Python classes, let us see in the tomorrow's video. Okay, please stay tuned, subscribe my channel. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also share it with your Python buddies. Also, for learning object oriented programming, Python is a great start. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, reach me out in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.